I walked into the little coffee shop on the corner, the one that always smelled of roasted beans and fresh muffins. As I stepped in, I noticed a man sitting by the window, tapping his fingers on the table. I smiled, ordered my cappuccino, and walked over. Mind if I sit here? I asked. He looked up, started for a moment, and then smiled. Of course, please. It's better than sitting alone. So I sat down, warming my hands on my cup. For a while, we just watched the rain outside. Then he said, You know, I always come here when it rains. It makes the coffee taste better somehow. I laughed. Really? I come here for the exact opposite reason. When the sun is out, I love watching people rush by. Feels like I'm in the middle of a story. He tilted his head. Curious, so today, what story do you see? I looked out the window, the umbrellas bobbing, the traffic crawling, the steam of the glass. Today it feels like a story about patience. Everyone is forced to slow down. He nodded thoughtfully. And maybe that's why we met. Because the rain made us both pause. We both smiled, and the conversation flowed easily after that, like we had known each other for much longer than a single rainy afternoon.